Hi, May. Do our tears turn red because we paint them with red color? That sounds funny, but it is not true. Wrong.
Wait, that's wrong. Oh, Zippy, let me explain the real reason in a simple way.
Did you know that very tiny blood vessels live on the surface of our eyes? Yes, they really do.
They got bigger. When these tiny blood vessels get bigger or swollen, our eyes start to look red. That's the name! When this happens, our eyes are sometimes called bloodshot eyes.
The most common reason for red eyes is allergies from things like pollen, dust, perfume, or smoke.
So itchy and burny.
When we have allergies, our eyes may feel itchy, burn a little, and even make extra tears.
Another reason is dry eyes, when our eyes do not have enough tears to keep them wet and comfortable.
Uh-oh, germs! Infections like conjunctivitis, also called pink eye, can make our eyes look red or pink. Whoa, ow, oh! Sometimes eye redness can also happen if our eye gets hurt or injured. We can take care of our eyes by keeping them clean, resting them, and staying away from things that irritate them.
So, our tears do not turn red with paint. Our eyes look red because of tiny blood vessels, allergies, dryness, infections, or injuries.
Now you know!